Thank you, Madam, Your Excellency, the Governor of Kisii, Simba Paul Arati, your Deputy Governor, all protocol served. Buyamona saying enjoy Kongari Baga, I ain't one before you. Itangani to Kurang Buyamona and then Buyamona Aso Wanta, or Torrenta Raigan into Naribari, or Senator Jamhuri. That's what you took to go to Karoka. Commenta na yo, and I don't want to Abang enchanted Naribari as the chair for the last 17 years. Your Excellency, you are onboarding a key. Mbuanja so wanja kwao. Yani, o saka account. O sikuisiga. Na baru woba ba kole chikurubu chikiabo. Panyo wale kende ga kiba someri abana. Omongina nere omugaka. Omongina nere abana. Omongina nere healthy. Omongina nere kereyet. Abangina nanga ineria. Omugaka minto. To wanjete muno ya kwa neiga 2 times. There is no doubt. Na ende to koilete now and again without for one you got a planful. You are a scheme. You are a, what can I say? You are a schemer. You are a schemer, a planner, very constructive and believable. My friend, I can describe you and you can even come from there and shake my fire. Thank you for that and God bless you. But before that, madam, give me one chance. That is something. Tato mtoto.